So while Jeep obviously designed the Wrangler to be an off-road vehicle, let's be honest, there's a lot of Wranglers, the only off-road they see might be their kid's soccer practice. Now, if your Wrangler sees more on-road than off-road use, you're looking for some more style and some power from your exhaust system, well, AWE's Tread series might be exactly what you're looking for. So this is the AWE Tread Edition Axleback exhaust system. Now, being that it's an Axleback, it's going to fit your 2- or 4-door Wrangler. It'll also work with the 3.6 liter or the 2-liter turbo engine. That's going to be all stainless steel construction, featuring 3-inch and 2.5-inch piping, and they're 180-degree technology mufflers. Now, these mufflers are designed basically to allow a lot of air to pass through the muffler, but get rid of any kind of a drone you're going to get. Now, this system is going to end with a pair of 4.5-inch chrome tips, and again, it'll be a direct replacement for your factory Axleback. Like all of AWE exhaust systems, this system is made right here in the USA and includes everything necessary for installation. Our Jeep has a 3.6 liter engine, and you can see the factory exhaust here, the Axleback. I mean, you have this huge suitcase of a muffler that obviously is not going to flow well. It's not going to be very loud either. Now, to remove the factory system, there's one clamp up behind here and then 2 hangers, one on each side. Now, we spread a little bit of penetrating oil in advance here to get this off, but the first thing you're going to do is loosen the factory clamp. All right, to remove the muffler then, to get it off the hangers, because of the frame rail and the fuel tank, there's really no room to slide the hanger off. So the best thing to do is just remove the entire hanger assembly from the frame rail. There'll be 2 bolts, one on the side and one on the top. Then same thing over here on the driver's side. Now with both hangers off, you can sort of try to twist it, get it off the stock exhaust. So these hangers get used with our AWE, so we've got to remove them from the factory muffler. All right, I'm going to grab the down pipe, which connects to our factory mid pipe. Clamp on there. All right, get the clamp seated on the pipe where it's accessible, and slide it over the factory pipe. Okay, now we're going to put the factory hangers on our AWE. Basically, want to make sure you get them in the position they're going to be. So the hook will be on the outside, pointing up and towards the back of the car. And we're going to slide these on. Once you get in place, grab the supplied locks and put them on the ends. We'll snug these up later, just get them in place. I grab the large clamp, put that on the assembly, and it's ready to go on the car. Just connect to our pipe first. Slide it up into place. Okay, the assembly up into place, we're going to reinstall the factory hardware, tighten it down, and repeat the process over on the other side. Now we can tighten down the retainers. Now we're going to snug down the clamp to the muffler. And now the mid-pipe clamp. All right, now we're going to grab the outlet pipe, which will go to the tip. Slide that on. Get it roughly in place and just snug it down for now. And now grab the clamp for the tip. Put the tip in place and snug everything down. And same thing on the other side. At this point, make any necessary adjustments, go through, tighten everything down, and then your installation is finished. Now let's hear how it sounds. The AWE Tread Edition gives our Willys Jeep a nice custom look and a little more volume and a nice deep tone as well. And with that 180 technology, there's going to be no drone on the highway. The installation is pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour and a half to 2 hours. You'll be back on the road in no time.